We live in an exciting age where technology is always changing, so understanding how to code, even in a basic level, is very important. Michael has been incredible. He really made it much easier to grasp. Me personally, I don't have much coding knowledge, so it made my day much better.
At the start of the session, I came in with zero background in coding and I was a complete beginner. And now at the end of the session, I can independently add two numbers together or divide one number by another, and that was all down to Michael's in-depth and easy to understand explanations on how to use Python. So I highly recommend SkillStruct.